Start already. Okay, so second question, open up image editing application. You open your Photoshop and then open the name, the business card, right? Okay, I think I need to show you here also, otherwise you can see. Okay, so second question is open the business card, which we already open. Okay, and third question, okay, they want you to move the Don't Waste LTD, right? Okay, so let's go to here. Okay, you see, right now the Don't Waste LTD, right, is not aligned together with the their slogan or don't know what, huh? Okay, so in this case, what you can do is, of course, you must use your move tool. And how to select the layer? Okay, just like I show you, you can right click, select the correct layer, right? Or can you tell me whether your transform, your option here, okay, the auto select, is it layer or group? Can you change to layer? Okay, now, and is your auto select check or uncheck? You have to use move tool first. Okay, can you uncheck your auto select? Okay, uncheck the auto select, and your show transfer controls also, can you disable it? Okay, can. Now, okay, currently my layer selection, is it correct? It's correct, right? Okay, can you just click on background layer? Okay, now how can I quickly go to the particular layer, right? You hold down control, then you click on the wording. Do you see that it jumped to don't waste? Okay. Okay, now the question, right? They want to move this to here. Okay, so I go to Photoshop, I click on this. Okay, now because I want to shift it. I do not want it to change. Right? You see, because if I click and drag like that, right, you may not be aligned properly. Can you see that? Okay, so in this case, okay, I undo first, huh? Okay, so I will hold down shift. Okay, I hold down shift, then I move the text. Okay, and you see how is it. Okay, now let's refer back the question. Okay, you see is the D and E, right? They are aligned together. Can you see that? Okay, so in this case, I will, you see right now, my D and E, is it aligned? No, right? But if I'm going to use mouse to drag it, it's a bit difficult to reach. So I will use the right arrow button. Okay, you see your arrow button? You can move a little bit. It's like moving as at a pixel. Okay, you press one time, you move one pixel. Okay, press one time, you move one pixel, something like that. Okay, then press Ctrl 0 to align back. Okay, so number 3 is done. Okay, zoom the business card to 200%, right? Okay, so this one is quite easy. You just click here, highlight, okay, 200, right? 200, press enter once. Okay, and this is considered 1 mark. Okay, done already. Okay, on next questions. On the background layer, use the eraser tool. Okay, eraser tool. Where's the eraser tool? It's actually over here. Okay, you right click here. Do you see eraser tool? Okay, click once. Okay, let me go back first. To erase only the text founded in 1998. Okay, so where's your 1998? This one, right? Okay, but do you think that I can straight away erase like that? Okay, so I must go to that layer. How to go to the layer again? Right click. Sorry, because right now I'm using eraser tool, so when I right click, it will show different things. So let me go back to move tool first, and I right click. Okay, this is background layer. Okay, Now I use eraser tool. Okay, you want me to erase what? Text founded in 1998, but they want you to ensure that the green rectangle remains. Okay, and the background is what color? So that means that you cannot erase just like that because your rectangle will be deleted also. So in this case, okay, how to reduce the size again? Okay, or you can always come here and adjust the size. Okay, okay. Now if I'm going to erase like this, okay, sometimes if our hand not steady, we may erase different things, right? So can you see there's a need that you need to mark up an area now? Okay, that's when your rectangular marquee comes in place. Okay, so I will click and hold and drag one area. We only want this to remove, right? Wait lah. Okay. Okay, now now we have remarked up the area, right? So we want to use the eraser tool. Of course, they say eraser tool to remove the text, right? But the tricky part is they want you to remain the background as white color. Because when you use eraser, basically they erase away the pixel. You see now if I use eraser, okay, you see, you will see the pixel, am I correct? Whenever I see this, right, it means what? It means you are, right now this part has been clear, the pixel has been cleared, and it becomes transparent. Okay, remember whenever you see this grid, right, it means it's transparent. Okay, so the next step is you need to fill with a white color. Okay, so where's your paint bucket tool? Right click, you see your paint bucket tool? Click here, and then can I just pour like that? Can I pour like this? Why cannot? Okay, but is my color correct? So you have to check whether you are using white color or what color. Okay, okay, so I use white color now. I'm going to pour inside here. So everything has been fixed. So after that, I will need to deselect after I've done this part and go back to your move tool. Okay, so after you have removed the text and you fill up with the color, right? Next, they want you to zoom the image to fit on the screen. So you see, actually in the question it's very long, but not to worry, you do one by one. Okay, okay. So now they want it to fit on screen, right? How to fit on screen? Control 0, or you go to View, Fit on Screen. Okay. And after that, they want you to save the business card, right? Okay, so you just go to File, Save. Okay, and then did they ask you to close? No, so leave it. Okay,